Come here. Oh, swim to me. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Go get her.
Come on. Come on.
Go get
Come on, come here.
Go get her.
Good boy.
He'll do it that way, but not this
way.
Just let him stay like that. Get that.
Come on, JJ, come get me.
Come on, sweetie. Go get her.
What a good boy. What a good boy.
Spread that tail out more, Krista.
Oh yeah,
What's he doing?
Come back.
Come here, Jay. Get Kristen.
Come on, come back.
Get Kristen. Get Kristen.
Come on, good boy.
Did you see that?
He's trying to eat the water and swim at the same time. Take a break.
Get it, Jay. Go get it. Stay.
Take a break.
Stay.
Go to your towel.
Go get your towel, Jay. Go. Go that way. Come on, let's go this way.
Come on, go to your towel. Come on. Go.
Come on, here.
Go to your towel. Go.
Over here.
Come on.
Go get her. Go get her.
Good boy.
No. Here, Jay.
Go to your towel.
Jay, here.
Go to your towel.
Here, Jay.
Go to your towel. Go ahead.
Here, babe.
You know how much she knows about us?
Bring it here. Bring it to the towel. JJ, bring it to the towel. Come on. No, JJ. Over here. Come on. Come on. JJ, this way. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Go get me another one. Not the towel. Go get me a ball. Good boy. Good boy. You want to get another one? Oh, I dropped it.
You're doing really well.
He doesn't like that towel floating around. Ready? You want this? Go get it. Get ready. Go! Go get the ball. Come on, bring me something back.
You put the life preserver on.
Come on, go get it. Come on, Jack. Come on. Ready? Come on. Come on. Go in. Go get it. What a good boy. Bring it back. What a good boy. Ready? Go get it. Good boy. Come on, bring it back. Good boy. I'll help you. I'll help you up. There you go. Good boy. Oh, he's done.